Hi! Welcome everybody to a new season of Two Scientists Walk Into a Bar. We're back. I'm Maria.
And I'm Danielle. And we're, as always, happy to take a break from lab. Well, I mean, my scope's still running, but I guess that's technically a break. I don't have to be there in the lab at this moment. It's our 5th season.
That is a lot of shows. It's great to see you. It's been a while since we've spoken. What have you been working on? Anything cool?
I think so. I've been playing around with spheroids, which are super exciting.
Spheroids? Are they like organoids?
Yeah, it's in that bucket. I mean, it's been a hot topic for a really long time, but I think what's really cool is as we're developing new therapies and different strategies to go after stuff, there's a lot of really creative ways you can use them.
Very cool.
So what about you? What have you been working on?
So I've been looking at different types of modalities of drugs. And by modalities, I mean different types of molecules that you use to treat disease. And I've had the opportunity to be working closely on an RNA-based drug, which was something that was really not conceivable back when I started my career in drug development. So it's really exciting to me to have all the different ways we can now target different genes and different proteins using new modalities of drugs.
That's definitely exciting. I mean, new modalities is the hot thing right now. Everybody's working on it from so many different angles. There's the basic science, and then also thinking about what would be necessary to move forward going to the clinic. So everyone's looking at it across the pipeline.
And I think that might be a theme that we'll have going through the podcast this season, is this theme of AI and machine learning. Because, to build on what you just said, for example, even traditional modalities like antibodies, there's all sorts of AI, machine learning ways to perhaps refine how we develop those, and small molecules too. And then AI and machine learning is coming into predicting disease patterns, how diseases evolve and spread, developing new drug structures, and also even in the execution of clinical trials, like identifying what are the right populations to use. And so I think that idea of how we can use AI and machine learning to really get better medicines for patients could be a theme that we talk about throughout the season.
I also think there's really cool ways that people are having access to it that they wouldn't have before. Like, I totally flunked computer science in high school, didn't understand copy and paste. So every time I thought about machine learning, I was like, oh, there's no way, right? But there's all these box solutions where, just take image analysis, for example. Yeah. There are these box solutions for people where they can try to learn how to break stuff apart and approach it. And it really kind of changes accessibility to these technologies.
The image analysis AI is super, super cool. I've been involved a little bit in some of that.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. That's cool.
We did some work around identifying, for example, whether somebody who had COVID, to go back to our previous season's theme, are they likely to develop long COVID? Can AI look at a scan of their lungs when they were first diagnosed with COVID and tell you what the prediction of that outcome of the disease might be? I don't know whether that's true or not, but it's certainly something that image analysis and AI could be used for. It's really exciting.
Yeah, it's more than just the research. It's also diagnosis and kind of relieving a lot of bias and interpretation. Yeah, it's super cool. What would be really cool is in this next season that comes up, we should try to ask people, how are new modalities affecting what their goals are? How are they looking at it? What new avenues are they taking for analysis and data interpretation? Even data mining with AI and machine learning.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I think focusing on how new modalities might be opportunities for all different areas of science could be really interesting, and definitely the AI and machine learning angle. And I also, not particularly powerful, but I used ChatGPT to write a poem about cheese this summer because I just wanted to, explore my own use of these technologies.
We need to figure out how to get that poem in front of everybody. One possibility is if we get enough subscribers, maybe we might talk Maria into posting it. I don't know. But if you want to help me get to that poem of cheese and you want to listen to some great science that we have coming up on season 5,
make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.
Get ready. Two Scientists Walk Into a Bar is back.